Alright, let's be real. Most of you think math is just about memorizing rule. Like this one, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. X power 0 is equal to 1. But why? If 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 0 is equal to 0, then why 5's power 0 is not equal to 0? Does math just stop making sense? In the next 2 minutes, I am going to show you the logic that will make you the smartest person in your class. So now look at this pattern. 2's power 3 is equal to 8. 2's power 2 is equal to 4. And 2's power 1 is equal to 2. Notice here what's happening. Every time we go down a step, we are dividing by 2. Like this. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, right? Now 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, right? If you follow this logic to the next step, so 2's power 0 is equal to, now what should we do? We take the previous answer 2 and divide by the base 2 is equal to 1, right? So now 2's power 0 is equal to 1. That's why x power 0 is equal to 1. It's not a random rule, it's a perfect pattern. Okay? Still not convinced? Let's look one more proof. Okay? Law of exponents. So now, according to the law of exponents, we know when you divide the same numbers, you subtract their powers. Okay, now think about this. What's 5 square divided by 5 square? So simple math says that 5 square divided by 5 square is equal to 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. Right? Now law of exponents say that 5 square divided by 5 square is equal to 5. Then we have to subtract both powers. Okay, 2 minus 2. So is equal to 5's power 0. So now here 5 square divided by 5 square is equal to 5 square divided by 5 square. So that means 5's power 0 is equal to always 1, right?